We've spent the last 25 years creating these highly efficient global supply chains. And the pandemic really put everything upside down. And I don't think that companies thought enough about the resiliency. They were thinking more about the efficiency and how tight those supply chains were connected. And because they were so connected, one disruption at one point in the supply chain flows all the way through in an instant. And that's what we're experiencing right now. My recommendation to my clients is let's look at building a resilient supply chain versus being able to respond quickly and react quickly. Let's build a supply chain that is, from the foundation, is resilient. In today's supply chain, it's not just, one up, one down. You've got a 6 or 7 tier supply chain, and you need to have that many-to-many visibility. So I want to be able to see not just the next layer down, but give me 3 or 4 layers down. Because if something happens in a multi-channel or a multi-tier supply chain, you're not going to know about it until it's probably too late. So you need to have that visibility deeper into the supply chain to see if there are, shocks in the supply chain. You need to know about that today. UST really does sit at the heart of all of your data, all of an organization's information. And UST for the last 20 years has been perfecting this understanding of how to connect all of the data sources. And this is really what holds a company back from getting that type of visibility, is being able to connect those data sources. And this is really the heritage of UST, is that ability to be at the heart of the data, understand how it's integrated, and actually how to surface that to the clients.